Previous flight was Airblue takeoff from Dubai International Airport to Istanbul, Turkey International Airport, Atatürk International Airport. So guys, we're ready for landing. Please listen the captain announcement. So ladies and gentlemen, this is your Captain Zubair and welcome to our Airblue flight from Dubai to Istanbul. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for landing, and the weather is a bit rainy and the turbulence is in the higher side and the clouds are overcast. So we are expecting a turbulent landing, but please fasten your seat belts and listen the instructions carefully. Cabin crew, prepare for landing. We are having a sharp descent. Oh, there's a thunderstorm. This is a passenger left side view. Flaps full. Gear down. Spoilers armed. Landing lights on, logo lights on. Airblue Airbus A320 from Pakistan. $1,000. $500. Reducing minimums. Approaching minimums. This is a mild bit turbulent landing. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. We are landing finally.